I can. Out here, it definitely is more chatter, like you were saying, than more screaming and shouting. After the senators and representatives all went back up to their offices, things are definitely starting to die down. It was extremely emotional, as you saw while I was live there, those moments right after the bill passed. But Amy here actually was in favor of the bill passing, which I think for people coming out here and speaking their opinions is the minority here. So can you please just tell us why you're in favor of this bill passing and what good you think it's going to bring to the people of Connecticut?
Well, we're the minority today, but there were hundreds of us here on Wednesday, and we all supported the bill, and they were experts from Yale and all the medical institutions and the medical associations. So I support it because I'm a parent here in Connecticut. I have 30 years of expertise in vaccines, and I know that our kids are at risk of vaccine-preventable diseases if we don't do something now.
You were here on Wednesday during the 22 hours of public hearing. You were here again today. What's your reaction to all of this public involvement in this specific bill?
My reaction is that it's unfortunate there's so many loud voices that are opposed to vaccines. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of families that are vaccinating on time here in Connecticut. They don't realize that our kids are still in jeopardy because when herd immunity levels go down, infections like measles can come in and still make our children sick. So they're not pounding on the doors of the legislators because they're doing the right thing and then they go on their merry way.
You heard a lot of the people talking inside at the hearing about balancing both sides of the issue, the right to your religious exemptions, the right to an education. Do you think there's a way that we can balance both sides here?
I think absolutely. First of all the major religions do support vaccinations, and that includes the Catholic Church. There's a lot of personal belief exemptions that people are claiming are religious. I think they're trying to maybe grandfather these people in, and that would resolve their issues. There's a lot of things that can happen, and I think that the legislators are trying to do their very best to hear both of our sides. 30,000 letters were sent in on our side to legislators in the last 2 weeks. You're just not seeing the people here right now.
Thank you so much, Amy, for talking to us. And so you can see a lot here. There's a lot of people here still filtering out of the room, a lot of mixed emotions here. Even to that interview, someone is coming out saying that she wanted to discredit her side. So there's a lot of emotions on both sides of this bill. And even though it passed the committee here today, it's still going to go to the House where there's going to be more discussion and debates surrounding this bill. So for now, I'm live in the Legislative Office building. Taylor DiCello, Fox 61 News.